is Ashwini and today we are filling water. I show you. We are filling water here. You can see behind me my grandfather is filling water and rain is raining right now. You can see rain is drizzling and my grandfather is still standing in the rain and he is holding that pipe to fill water because I told him just put that pipe in that tank and come here. But he didn't listen to me. So that's why he's standing there and he is filling the pot. And my grandfather mother is covering this. She covered this and she is pulling that what's it? This I don't know. And look at guys, now grandfather is filling this another small pot and rain is drizzling, not heavy rain, but it's drizzling right now. And this foot mat is wet because water is coming here and she is watching clay pot to fill it. So you can see guys, these things happen in only village because in city people don't have this kind of work to do. So look at this and you know what? I have laundry to wash. I have dirty laundry to wash, but still rain is drizzling. Not heavy rain, but maybe I wash my laundry and it will not dry soon. So that's why I'm not washing it because look at this is my laundry. When if I wash it, if laundry will not dry, so it may be the laundry will smelling. Smelling means you understand this kind of smell when laundry don't dry properly. And now is rainy season, always rain, just drizzling full day, not heavy rain, just sometime come and sometime stop. This kind of rain is always coming. And you know what, I live with my grandparents, me, my grandfather and my grandmother, just three person live in my village. I live in village and not my village, in my home. I'm doing here my English speaking practice. This is real English speaking practice. So if you are a English speaking learner, try to learn something new in this videos because this kind of videos help you to how to speak, how to express your feelings in English. I'm making so many mistakes, but I don't feel fear about my mistakes. I always happy because at least I'm speaking. So now rain is just raining, drizzling. You can see guys on my t-shirt, rain is drizzling and above in the sky is just cloudy. And this tank is almost filled. We will put our pipe into that tank. Now she is filling water like this and I'm happy while doing this. I'm not happy, literally. This kind of things are irritating me because It is drizzling right now, and we are feeling water. Right now it's evening time at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, guys. 6 o'clock, which means PM at evening, and in the evening, not at evening. My grandfather said to my grandmother, hold this pipe, I want to go pee. And he's going to pee. And look at, guys, so this is ourself, which means me, my, or yourself. If you like this kind of things, try to speak English. This is shelf. You can see so many utensils on this shelf. And now, guys, grandfather is stepping up to come inside. Here is you can see these are bunches of garlic, and this is simple English speaking practice. If you like this kind of practice, please tell me in comment. I will very happy when you comment here and you are enjoying my videos for learning and watching Village Live. Seeing Village Live. If you are watching video or TV, that time you can use watch, or you can just generally speaking about I'm seeing this in a real person, baby. I am seeing my grandmother. I'm seeing my grandfather. Is this any electronic device? No. So this, when you speak like this, that time we use see, and when you are pointing anything like a look at that pot, that time you use look word, okay? And just watch right now. Hi. He is filling water, guys. And my grandmother is preparing buckets to fill water in that bucket. Into that bucket, she's washing, she's cleaning that bucket before fill with water. So many people ask me, you are speaking water. I'm not speaking water. I'm speaking water, but maybe it's my town mistake, anything. Okay, guys, understand my English speaking. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning. Okay. Now, guys, my grandfather has rolled this water pipe, and now it's grandfather time to carry this pipe and carry this pipe toward there where I rolled first their pipe, and that pipe behind me, that pipe always my grandfather rolled, and here we used another one pipe every day. We use another one pipe. That pipe I already rolled, and I have put inside. You can see, I have put inside already this pipe, and now it's my grandfather turn to put. He has rolled pipe to put inside. This is our fence type area. You can see around fence, and inside we put some material here, because in village this is common. You can see, guys, behind me clouds. Here are some birds chirping, and I'm standing on this I am standing on this. Now we will go in our home. Okay, guys. Now you can see the view behind view and scenery in the village. If you like this kind of videos, guys, please tell me in comment. Do you like these videos? These videos are helpful to you to improve your English speaking. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Tadya. He is covering that hole with this soil. Look at this. Okay.
चल
ఇక్కడ ఓకే ఒక తీసి మైగా ఉంది